Are you currently having problems with not being able to log in into your Reddit app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple and a quick step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it myself. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Reddit app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So I went into my settings app and then I was taken to a page similar to this. As you can see, I scrolled down in here and I clicked on general, and on this page I just once again scrolled down and I clicked on storage in here. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. So now what you can do in here, you can scroll down and try to find the Reddit app. So scroll down and hopefully it's going to be very high up, because Reddit in general takes a lot of memory on your phone. So you can click on Reddit right here, as you can see, when you do find it. So now what you're going to do on this page, or what I did myself, I clicked on Offload app in here and I once again clicked on Offload app. And then I clicked on the blue button here once again. I waited for the Reddit app to completely load in here. As you can see, it says loading now. It's going to probably take you just a couple of seconds and then it's going to be done. So this fixed it for me. I went back into my app and now I was able to log back in once again. But if it still is not working and you're getting the error that you've forgotten maybe your email or your password, you need to basically reset it once again. So click on reset your password and then just follow the instruction after that, and then select a new password, try again, and hopefully that can also fix this issue for you.